In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use two WhatsApp on your smartphone. The procedure is very simple, but you must watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to open your Play Store, and from the Play Store you need to download this application called Dual Apps. Once the application is downloaded and installed, click on open. Grant all the necessary permissions that are required to run the application. Once you are done with granting permissions, click on this add icon, and from here select WhatsApp. Click on import dual, and that's it. Now open WhatsApp. Click on launch dual. Click on to grant. And as you can see that you can now use two WhatsApp on your smartphone. So let me show you the proof. So here is my regular WhatsApp, and here as you can see that I have a second WhatsApp now as well. Click on agree and continue, and after this you can register your phone number and start using second WhatsApp on your smartphone. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.